Welcome to the visual guide to navigating and using the Gulfcoast journal browser. Before we begin, please make sure that you have contacted our support team to configure the backend of the application to get you up and running. Please make sure that you have a good internet connection to ensure the best quality when you're using this application. The first step is to connect your selected DVR site using the drop-down menu shown here. Once you have selected the site you desire, click on the Connect to DVR button found right next to the drop-down menu. Give the application a few seconds to sync with the DVR, and then you'll be introduced to a new interface. First, we will be going over the live view, which is shown when the live button shown here is green. When it initially connects, the application will only show one camera, so let's change that. Through this drop-down menu, we can select up to 4 cameras to view simultaneously. To change out the cameras, simply deselect the camera and select a new one. You can tell when it's selected or deselected because of the color that it highlights. If it's orange, it is selected. If it's not, it is not selected. Now, onto audio. To listen into a specific camera, simply click the speaker icon located on the top left of the camera view. It will turn green when you click on it, indicating that the audio is being transferred through. If your camera does not have audio, this icon will not be there. To adjust the volume, drag the volume meter above the camera as shown. On the left-hand side, you will see 2 planes. This is where your register data will show. To change the register that is being monitored, simply press the Devices bar and select from whichever device you would like to monitor. And that is it for the live view. Now, let's move on to review. To change into review mode, press the review option and it will turn to green. The review option is found next to the live button that we mentioned earlier. Here you can see a history of video and transactions from the registers. We begin by selecting a date in the search date field and then pressing search afterwards. This will bring up the transactions and videos from that day. Select the X list button next to the search date field to bring up a list of exceptions that have gone on during the day that you selected. Once you pinpoint the transaction you want to view, select it and it will highlight blue. Press the play button and it will begin to show you video from the moment the transaction was made onwards. To change the camera for this time frame, simply select it from the drop-down menu as you would have in the live view. If you would like to save a video, select the universal floppy disk icon, that means save, as seen here. This will bring you into a new window. In this window, ensure that the proper start and stop date and time are selected. If not, click on them and adjust them as needed. In the Select Video Player drop-down, select Video Only Player for only the video, or Video and Data Player for both video and data. Make sure that the cameras you want are checked off and then press Add to add them into the plane below it. At this point, ensure that all of the data is correct and then press Start Backup. This will then open File Explorer, in which you will point the system to where you want the file to save. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any other questions, please contact us at Gulfcoast Support and we'll be more than happy to assist you.